I am sitting in a 2014 Nissan Versa hatchback. This does not have an immobilizer system. If you look at the instrument cluster, I have the hazards on. You will not see a flashing red security light. Plus the ignition lock, you can see it's flat face, it's all metal. But however, we're going to program the remote. This is our new key. This is our old key. Our old key locks and unlocks. Our new one has not been programmed. You can do this either the manual way or with the tester. And we're going to show you how to do it with the tester. You do not need to have a key in the ignition. Just turn your hazards on. Go to Nissan. You go to Versa Note. Go to 14. Go to Smart Remote number 1. Program remote. I'm going to press the button here. Nope. It's programmed. Press the button. It's just that easy to do. And we are done.